In this tutorial, we'll test 3 different AI programs to see how well they can follow a prompt in creating Wanda, the cartoon spider. This is a tough test because spiders have 8 legs. Also, we want what is usually a scary insect to look cute and friendly. We will also ask that the image be created in 3D. We are currently in ChatGPT, which can also use DALL. Here is our prompt. It says 4 sample graphics of Wanda using DALL. And this prompt says, prompt for creating 3D Wanda character consistent test prompt. Create a friendly cartoon-style Black Widow spider character in 3D. The spider should have a rounded, glossy black body, 8 delicate legs, large, kind eyes, and subtle red hourglass on the belly. She should look gentle and non-threatening, like a children's book character, including a soft garden background, like grass, flowers, or a wooden porch. Make her cute and expressive, no fangs or scary features. Render 4 poses with consistent facial and body design, like she's the same character in different moments. DALL is slower at generating graphics compared to the others. DALL came up with 4 good examples, except the first one only has 6 legs. But the characters are cute and friendly. Here's Adobe Firefly using the same prompt. It was fast, but way off. First, it gave me a woman called Wanda, the food, the stream, and food against a mountain background. Then I went to the left side, imported a sample graphic. Even with the sample graphic, it created a graphic girl. Then I changed the prompt to create a friendly cartoon-style Black Widow spider character in 3D. Now it creates a Black Widow spider. Only the last image is correct, but it's too hairy. This hair makes it look scary. Our last try is with Leonardo.ai. Same prompt, and it too is fast. The quality is great, and the images are cute and friendly. Some have 6 legs, while others have 8 legs. In all 3 AIs, we asked in the prompt for 8 legs. I believe DALL and Leonardo gave the best results. DALL was the only one who gave a complete background as per the prompt. The other question is, which of the 2, Leonardo or DALL, can produce consistent looking characters for each page? We'll look at that in the next video. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, keep writing, and see you in the next video.